Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Gemini Pro. Accessing this powerful large language model is straightforward, primarily through two main Google platforms. We will guide you through the steps to begin your journey with Gemini Pro, whether you are a new developer or an experienced professional. You can start building innovative applications and exploring its advanced capabilities today, often with a generous free tier for initial development and testing. To access Gemini Pro through Google AI Studio, simply visit the dedicated website. You will need to sign in using your existing Google account, which provides immediate access to the development environment. Once logged in, you can create a new project and begin experimenting with Gemini Pro's features. This platform is designed for ease of use, making it an excellent starting point for anyone looking to integrate advanced AI into their work. For more advanced or enterprise-level applications, Google Cloud's Vertex AI is the ideal platform. Navigate to the Google Cloud Console, select Vertex AI, and ensure the Vertex AI API is enabled for your project. You can then create a new notebook or utilize the Generative AI Studio within Vertex AI to deploy and manage your Gemini Pro models. This offers robust tools for scaling and integrating AI into complex systems. Gemini Pro offers incredible multimodal capabilities, allowing it to process and understand various data types, including text, images, and even video. Developers can seamlessly integrate this powerful model into their applications, enhancing user experiences and automating complex tasks. The availability of a free tier means you can extensively test and develop your projects without immediate cost, making advanced AI accessible to a broad range of innovators.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.